मैं आपका नाम लेके आपको बैन करूंगा, क्योंकि आप जबरदस्ती के सवाल पूछते हैं और जबरदस्ती आप उसको कंट्रोवर्सी।
I'll begin with a confession that I'm not really a very big fan of a lot of Indian writing in English. Because, the fact is that most of the books that are like, you go to a bookshop and they're placed right at the front, are the same to literature as the movies are to cinema. They make a lot of money and they actually leave you with nothing. And the few books that I have liked, the one before this was again written by a journalist who was also an investigative journalist, and when you could see the experience of that. And the same is when I started to read, I picked up this book, and to confess to you also, I've not finished it because I've been mixing my movie and while traveling I've been reading it. The way he starts with getting into the mind of Honey Kumar, and he starts, I have dealt with FRO. I was married to Kalki, who had to deal with FROs. And I know in my movie Yellow Boots, you see the whole world of FRO right in the beginning of it, and the way it is, and that whole sense of power over somebody who was like, that whole sense of superiority in that moment that they feel over, especially when they're dealing mostly with white skin, that suddenly they start feeling like, oh, she's here to get her visa extended, or he's here to get, and suddenly they have this superiority thing that comes into them, and they start becoming this animal. And for me, the kind of world that CP creates, and he gets into the heads of these people. You get into that world, and sometimes it also confuses you because he puts you in the shoes of Honey Kumar. And you have this kind of sympathy and conflict, and you start feeling where he's coming from, and you see that the world he operates in, it justifies because relatively he's less corrupt compared to others. And that's the magic that the book should do. And this does. I'm trying to read the end, and I'm in between things. And the world that Miriam kind of gets herself into, this whole labyrinth of like this Kafkaesque labyrinth in the sense that she's going through exactly what probably Joseph K. was in that, and she can't decipher that world. She doesn't know what is going on. She knows what she wants. She knows what she doesn't want. She's caught in that situation and her things. And, it is just, it's like what somebody said in the beginning, that you don't know whether it's a thriller or it's a literary fiction. And the way it's written is so believable and real, because when Suchitra and Denzel were reading here, and you could feel it unfolding in front of you, and when Denzel spoke that line, that is your responsibility, the lady sitting right next to me, she kindly said, so? She was reacting to it. I think that's the power of writing, that's the power of good writing. And I'm so glad that there are books being written like that in English in India, because I seriously have been very disappointed with a lot, because there's very few, and they come after long periods of time that you see a good book written by an Indian in English about the world. The one before this I read was Akhil Sharma's book, which was probably not written here, and then Somnath Bhattabayal. I think in between I've not read many, or maybe I missed some. But I'm so glad that I was here to release this book, and I wish I had finished it. I think I will finish it the next, just another 2 hours maybe.
बहुत कुछ समझ आएगा। हम जिस समय में रह रहे हैं, आपको उसके बारे में बहुत कुछ समझ में आएगा। किताब लिख सकता ना तो मैं पता नहीं क्या हो जाता। मैं नहीं लिख सकता हूँ। वैसे स्क्रिप्ट लिखना आता है, किताब लिखने की मेरी हिम्मत नहीं है किताब लिखने की। मैंने ट्राई किया है और मैं फेल हुआ हूँ। हाँ, वैसे पकड़ा रखूँगा। हाँ, चलो। नहीं।
You said that you're not a big fan of Indian writers. Indian writers
No.
What was that book clarification?
नहीं, वो कुछ नहीं था। मैं बोला कि हमारे इंग्लिश में अधिकतर किताबें जो लिखी जाती हैं वो खामखा लिखी जाती हैं, क्योंकि बिक रही हैं, और उन किताबों से ऐसा भी होता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को किताब पढ़ के लगता है कि काफ़ी पढ़ लिख गए।
But
ऐसा बहुत चलता है.
but if a Chetan Bhagat is liked by masses, what's wrong in that?
There's nothing wrong with that.
Right.
I'm saying, have you seen what kind of writing is there in the bookstore? First go and read all sorts of writing. ना आप जाके देखो कितनी सारी किताबें. आजकल हर दूसरे मकान में रहने वाला आदमी इंग्लिश राइटर है.
Okay, so that should not be happening is what you're saying, or
No, I'm not giving you any kind of a controversial statement that you can make a headline
No,
into.
but you're,
I'm saying, what do you say? Do you read books?
I do, yes.
Huh? What is your opinion about it?
Well, it's good thing. If
कि हाँ जो भी चीज बिकती है सब बिकनी चाहिए, करेक्ट
right?
है ना?
उसकी सबकी एक ऑडियंस होती है सर.
हाँ सबकी ऑडियंस
होती
तो
है.
करेक्ट बात है. फिर सवाल क्यों पूछ रहे हो? फिर तुम्हें जवाब मालूम है?
सर नहीं आपके मुंह से सर.
तुम्हें जवाब
मेरा
नहीं
जवाब नहीं,
मुझे
आपका जवाब.
मैं जो बोलना मैं साफ साफ बोल चुका हूँ. हमारी कंट्री में मीडियोक्रिटी बहुत हद से ज्यादा है. चाहे वो राइटिंग में हो, चाहे वो सिनेमा में हो, चाहे वो किसी भी चीज में हो, चाहे वो मीडिया में हो. सारी मीडिया में भी जितनी मीडियोक्रिटी उतनी मीडियोक्रिटी बाहर की मीडिया में भी नहीं है.
Okay.
समझ रहे हो?
Okay.
तो इस माहौल में आपको जब रह के रहना है तो आपको अपनी चॉइसेस खुद करनी पड़ेगी. आप क्या पढ़ना चाहते हो, आप क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहते हो. खत्म बात.
ये ओवरसेक्स्ड और अंडरफक्ड का मतलब फिल्मों में कितना
वो
है?
जिस राइटर ने लिखा था किताब में, अब ये सवाल उनसे पूछिए.
मतलब आप नहीं सहमत हैं इनसे?
हाँ?
मतलब वो टर्म
मैं उनकी हर चीज से सहमत हूँ, उनकी किताब से सहमत हूँ. आप जो है दूसरों के शब्द मेरे मुंह में क्यों ठूसना चाह रहे हैं, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ.
मैं तो वो
नहीं, आप इस तरह से सवाल करेंगे, मैं आपके आज मैं आपका नाम लेके आपको बैन करूंगा, क्योंकि आप जबरदस्ती के सवाल पूछते हैं और जबरदस्ती आप उसको कंट्रोवर्सी बनाते हैं और जबरदस्ती आप सवाल का मतलब क्या. आप सवाल का मतलब बताइए. आप अपनी शक्ल दिखाई मीडिया के सामने. आइए इधर आइए. ये आप सवाल पूछिए मुझसे. चलिए खड़े हो.
there is something called as oversexed and underfunded in written in the book by Mr. C.P. Surendran. So there was a discussion happening on that.
आप बताइए पहले इसका मतलब क्या होता है.
So no, the essence of the fact is he said that in India every audience is oversexed and underfucked.
It doesn't say that in the book.
It
Have you read the
doesn't say
book?
that. No, that is what I'm asking.
Have
No,
you read the
the
book?
The discussion that happened here
No,
is
no.
what?
Have you read the book?
No, I have not. I will be
First
reading
read the
it
book,
now.
na, then ask the
Correct.
question.
Correct, sir.
Never ask the question without reading the book.
there was
ये
a
वही
very-
चीज है. आप बिना फिल्म देखे पूछते हैं आपकी फिल्म ऐसी क्यों है.
Sir, नहीं,
नहीं,
sir.
आप पहले अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन करिए, किताब पढ़िए और फिर आके सवाल
नहीं,
पूछिए.
sir.
मैं आपके सवाल का जवाब दूंगा.
Correct. I understand. There was a reading session that happened. Based on that, I asked the question.
In the reading session, that word was never used.
So no, in this session, when there
In
was
that
session-
discussion, it happened. Who discussed it?
CP
Go and
discussed
ask them.
it.
Go
Correct.
and
I
ask
will ask him. I just asked him.
Why are you asking me this question?
Sir, no, you
So
can.
that you can make a headline.
No, sir. Not at all.
मैं जाऊँगा. तुम्हारी वजह से क्या हो चुका ना हमारा मीडिया. बात करने का मन नहीं करता कहीं.
अनुराग आप हमेशा इतना अग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं आप.
क्योंकि आप लोग करते हैं.